Local news for Monday the 14th of January. Wairarapa DHB is preparing for tomorrow's two-day strike involving a full withdrawal of labour of junior doctors for 48 hours commencing at 7am. The emergency department will be fully operational throughout the strike period. However, some medical clinics and elective surgery and procedures have been postponed. Locals are advised to go to their family doctor or health professional first, wherever possible, to keep the emergency department free for critical illness and injury emergencies. From today, the Wairarapa region has moved to a restricted fire season, meaning you need a permit to light a fire in the open air, available from Fire and Emergency. The Tertiary Education Union has called on the Minister to step in immediately and support those affected at Taratahi. Following the news, the people working at the Taratahi Institute of Agriculture could be forced to go without pay. Shortly before the recent holiday break, nearly 1,200 students and 250 staff were told that Taratahi was to be liquidated. And finally, the asking price for property in Wairarapa rose in 2018, with 2019 expected to be another strong performer. While the number of homes on the market was down, the average asking price rose 11.8% to $520,110.